All right, this next song is entitled Another Season. I hadn't heard it until our fabulous musical director popped a tape in my door and said, "Listen to it."
Love to all, promising better days in June. Summer sun rising through the day, shining she dries my tears away. Evening she hides behind the moon. Another season, I finally found a reason to start living life completely, running all in the wind. I'm new beginning, I took a chance and I start living, and I finally discovered with the courage from within. Autumn holds the promise of the harvest. In your arms she bears the blessing of a fruitful year to come. And now that we have made it to December, time to slow down and to remember all the people in our hearts. Another season, oh, another reason. The goodness in our heart. A new beginning, I started to believe in. Finally discovered a new place within my heart. Mountains laced with snow, a treasure to the world below. Open skies are blue, revealing infinite to you. Feels alive, we greatly give to nourish and sustain. Every day is new, another season coming through. Yeah, yeah, to start living life completely, throwing caution to the wind. A new beginning, I took a look and I discovered no more hiding under cover, a new courage from within. Another season, I finally found a reason to start living life completely, throwing caution to the wind. A new beginning, took some time and I started living. No more living undercover, a new courage from within. Mountains laced with snow, a treasure to the world below. Open skies are blue, revealing infinite to you. Feels alive, we greatly give to nourish and sustain. Every day is new, another season running through. To start living life completely, throwing caution to the wind. A new beginning, I took a look and I discovered no more hiding under cover, a new courage from within.
All righty. All righty. Folks, can I take just a minute to acknowledge the guys in the band? Meet and greet Mr. Aaron Nelson on keyboards, Mr. Dayton Orima on bass. Keeping the beat for us tonight, Mr. Phil Bennett. On horns, Mr. Pat Hennessy on trombone. Lance Wysong on trumpet. Tim Sukiyama. And our fearless band leader tonight, and always, we love him dearly, Mr. Robert Shinoda. My name is Anita Hall. God bless you. Thank you so much for letting us be a part of this evening tonight. And if you like what you heard, there's Nueva Vida New Life CDs at the table at the front.